Have you ever considered the economic transformation Mexico has undergone in the past few decades? It's a story of resilience, innovation, and strategic partnerships that has catapulted this vibrant nation into the global economic limelight. Once primarily an agricultural economy, Mexico has shifted gears and evolved into a manufacturing and trade powerhouse. This change wasn't a fluke or accident, but a deliberate and strategic move, embracing globalization and leveraging the opportunities it offers. One of the key catalysts of this transformation was the North American Free Trade Agreement, or NAFTA. This agreement, signed in the early 90s, eliminated barriers to trade and investment between Mexico, the United States, and Canada. NAFTA opened doors, allowing Mexico to expand its manufacturing base and diversify its export offerings. But the story doesn't end there. The rise of the Maquiladora Industry, a manufacturing sector operating under preferential tariff programs established by the United States and Mexico, further buoyed Mexico's economic shift. This industry, which initially focused on simple assembly operations, has evolved into a complex network producing a wide array of high-tech goods. From automotive parts and aerospace components to electronics and medical devices, the Maquiladora industry has been instrumental in redefining Mexico's economic identity. It has created jobs, attracted foreign investment, and turned Mexico into a key link in the global supply chain. However, this transformation didn't come without its challenges. Balancing rapid industrial growth with environmental sustainability, managing the socio-economic impact of industrialization, and keeping pace with technological advancements are just a few hurdles Mexico has had to navigate. But these challenges have also presented opportunities for innovation, adaptation, and growth. Indeed, Mexico's economic landscape has changed dramatically, becoming a key player in global manufacturing and trade. As we delve deeper into the Mexican economic miracle, we'll explore the driving forces, key partnerships, and success stories that have shaped Mexico's economic journey. But for now, let's pause and appreciate the remarkable evolution of an economy that has defied expectations and continues to make strides on the global stage. To understand the extent of Mexico's economic transformation, delve into the Maquiladora Industry. The Maquiladora Industry, or maquilas as they're often called, are foreign-owned factories where local Mexican workers produce goods primarily for export. Established under the Border Industrialization Program in the 60s, these maquilas have become a cornerstone of the Mexican economy. Now just imagine this. Thousands of factories sprinkled across the country, humming with activity, producing everything from electronics, automotive parts, textiles, and more. These factories are significant job creators, employing millions of Mexicans and contributing substantially to the country's GDP. Let's put some figures on the table. The Maquiladora industry represents about 50% of Mexico's total manufacturing activity. Yes, you heard that right. Half of the country's manufacturing output comes from these factories. Moreover, they employ over 2 million people, which is a staggering 8% of the national workforce. Now let's talk about a success story that paints a vivid picture of the Maquiladora industry's impact. Consider the story of Foxconn, the world's largest contract electronics manufacturer. Foxconn set up its first Maquiladora in Mexico in 2005, and today, it operates several factories across the country. These factories produce millions of electronic devices every year, employing thousands of local workers, and significantly contributing to Mexico's export economy. The success of Foxconn is not an isolated case. It's a story replicated across the Maquiladora industry, with companies benefiting from Mexico's strategic location, competitive labor costs, and trade agreements. And it's not just about the numbers. The industry has also played a crucial role in technology transfer, skill development, and fostering innovation. So there you have it. The Maquiladora industry is not just an economic phenomenon, it's a story of transformation, resilience, and progress. It's a testament to Mexico's manufacturing prowess, and its ability to adapt and thrive in a globalized economy. The Maquiladora industry stands as a testament to Mexico's manufacturing prowess. Mexico's economic transformation is not an isolated event. It has significantly influenced global trade dynamics. Let's delve deeper into this fascinating journey by examining Mexico's key trade partners and how these partnerships have shaped the country's economic growth. Starting with the United States, Mexico's northern neighbor has been its largest trading partner for decades. This partnership has been solidified by the North American Free Trade Agreement, or NAFTA, which has eased the flow of goods across borders and boosted Mexico's manufacturing sector. However, it's not just about geographical proximity. The partnership thrives on shared interests and mutual benefits, fostering a robust trade relationship. Moving over to Europe, the European Union is another significant trade partner for Mexico. The Economic Partnership, Political Coordination and Cooperation Agreement, established in 2000, has been instrumental in facilitating trade relations. This agreement expanded Mexico's export portfolio and opened up new markets for its manufactured goods. Heading east, China has emerged as a key player in Mexico's trade narrative. Despite initial competition, both countries have found common ground, focusing on complementary sectors rather than direct rivalry. This strategic partnership has allowed Mexico to tap into the vast Chinese market and vice versa. But let's not forget about Latin America. Mexico's relationships with its regional neighbors like Brazil and Argentina have been pivotal in creating a strong Latin American trade bloc. These partnerships have helped Mexico diversify its trade, reducing dependency on any single market. And it's not just about trade. These partnerships have also contributed to Mexico's technological advancements and innovation in the manufacturing sector. By collaborating with global giants, Mexico has been able to adopt best practices and cutting-edge technologies, further enhancing its economic competitiveness. However, like any partnership, these relationships come with their own challenges. Trade disputes, policy changes, and market fluctuations can pose risks. But Mexico has shown resilience, navigating these complexities with astuteness and foresight. In conclusion, Mexico's strategic trade partnerships have undoubtedly played a crucial role in its economic rise. These relationships have not only boosted trade but also facilitated innovation, technology transfer, and sustainable growth. And as we move forward, these partnerships will continue to shape Mexico's economic landscape, marking its place on the global stage. Innovation and technology are not just buzzwords. In Mexico, they are the new drivers of economic growth. Over the past few years, Mexico has embraced the digital age with open arms, leading to an exciting transformation in its manufacturing sector. This is not a story of mere automation replacing manual labor. Instead, it's the tale of how Mexico is leveraging cutting-edge technologies to add value, increase productivity, and foster innovation in its manufacturing industry. Take, for example, the automotive industry. Mexico is already one of the world's top car manufacturers, but it's not resting on its laurels. The industry is actively integrating smart technologies into its production lines. From advanced robotics to artificial intelligence, these technologies are enhancing efficiency, reducing waste, and improving quality. Similarly, the aerospace sector in Mexico is soaring to new heights thanks to technology. The use of high-precision machinery and digital design tools is enabling Mexican companies to produce complex aerospace components with unmatched accuracy. This has not only boosted the sector's competitiveness, but also its reputation on the global stage. The electronics industry is another shining example of how technology is driving growth. Mexico, once primarily a destination for assembling electronic goods, is now designing and manufacturing sophisticated products. The proliferation of tech hubs and research centers is fostering a culture of innovation, attracting global tech giants and startups alike. But it's not just about the big industries. Even small and medium-sized enterprises, the backbone of Mexico's economy, are embracing technology. From adopting e-commerce to using cloud-based services, these businesses are finding innovative ways to stay competitive and reach new markets. The impact of this technological revolution is far-reaching. It's creating high-skilled jobs, attracting foreign investment, and stimulating economic growth. But perhaps most importantly, it's changing the narrative. Mexico is no longer just a low-cost manufacturing destination. It's becoming a hub of technological innovation and a key player in the global digital economy. With innovation and technology at the helm, Mexico's economic future looks promising. Mexico's economic transformation is a fascinating journey, but what does the future hold? A question that piques the curiosity of economists and business enthusiasts alike. We've traversed the contours of Mexico's economic metamorphosis, from its seismic shift from agriculture to manufacturing dominance, to the rise of the Maquiladora Industry, and the significant impact of the North American Free Trade Agreement. Each facet of this journey underscores the strategic role of manufacturing and trade in the country's economic landscape. But the journey doesn't end here. Like any vibrant economy, Mexico is faced with its share of challenges and opportunities. The global supply chain, for instance, presents a complex tapestry of risks and rewards. On one hand, it exposes Mexico to global market fluctuations, but on the other, it provides an avenue for the country to strengthen its trade relationships and assert its position on the global stage. And let's not forget the importance of sustainable development in Mexico's future economic plans. The country is increasingly recognizing the need to balance economic growth with environmental stewardship. This means that while Mexico continues to harness the power of manufacturing and trade, it is also committed to minimizing its environmental footprint and promoting sustainable practices within its industries. Success stories abound, from thriving companies in the manufacturing sector to groundbreaking advancements in technology and innovation. These narratives not only testify to Mexico's economic potential, but also inspire other nations on their path to economic transformation. As we look ahead, the road may be fraught with uncertainties, but one thing is for sure: Mexico's economic journey is far from over. Its trajectory is one of growth, resilience, and relentless pursuit of progress. And so we turn the page on another chapter, eager to see what the future holds for this dynamic economy. As Mexico continues to evolve, its economic story serves as a testament to the power of manufacturing and trade, innovation and resilience. So, let's keep our eyes on Mexico and watch this remarkable economic story continue to unfold.